jokes, music, interviews and much more.
Yes, in today's program we have a special report from Sridivya and Kalyan on our local site in Srinagar.
Nikita and Mahesh brings you the regular weekly review of safety at school.
Ramadevi invites you to meet the teacher.
And lot more jokes, news, you name it, we have it. So let's start with the roundups of the school news by our roving correspondent Swati.
Swati, over to you.
A very pleasant good afternoon to one and all. This year's news will be brought to you by your Swati. Education news. On October 14, in our school, Green Olympiad exam is held and students are waiting for result. Amisha Raj of class 11A got a certificate from Ministry of HRDA. On 6 September, 8 students of our school qualified in pre-JMBO and selected in JMBO but not qualified for next level. On 22nd November, 8 students wrote talent exam from Akash Institute. FE3 exams are conducted from 23rd November to 1st December. Half-yearly exams for class 11 and 12 are going on. Now coming to cultural news. Our students went to participate in youth parliament at Tirmalgiri and doesn't secure any position. From our school, out of 7 participants, Amisha Raj is selected for NCSC Nationals. KB Edumailaram ODF conducted social science exhibition on 8th and 9th of September and our school got first in English debate, second in dance, third in group song quiz and skit. Abhishek of class 12 got first in zonal police commemoration day speech. On 16th of November, our school celebrated Children's Day and community lunch was conducted. No active participation in CCA from boys by Neena Singh ma'am. Hindi Pakwada was successfully run by Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. Students are well disciplined by Principal Sir. KVNFC is a very disciplined school by AC on inspection. School level science exhibition will be held on December 14th. Class 9 students must participate in science exhibition by Srinivasulu sir. Students are preparing models for Inspire Awards. In our school, CCTV are arranged. By CCTV, discipline is increased by Vivian Prasad sir. Our morning assembly in charges are Mrs. Neena Singh ma'am, Mr. Sheshadar sir, Mr. Nazir Ahmad sir and Mrs. Rajni ma'am. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam House is in lead in CCA. In morning assembly, new item is attached, that is autobiography of a famous person. From our school, 2 teachers got Best Teacher Award and they are Mrs. Sunita ma'am DGT English and Mr. Vivian sir DGT Maths. Kota Satvik of class 9A had made a short film and he is the first student to do from our KV school. Our computer sir, Mr. Mahendra Singh, again got a medal in marathon this year. In our school, Harita Haram and Swachh Bharat was successfully run. Coming to sports news, from our school, many students actively participated in sports and many of them selected for nationals. Gaurav of class 7th got second in STF5 for high jump. In STF5, Hyderabad region got second place in sports and games. Our schools, for first time, 7 students went for archery nationals. From our school, Master Shiva Sai Teja got second in archery nationals. Kumari Pravalika of class 11 again selected for SGF5 for Kabaddi. Thank you.
And now to your regular spot, Meet the Teacher, in which Ramadevi interviews one of our favorite teacher to discover the real person behind the chalk desk.
So Ramadevi, it's all yours.
I am delighted today to be able to interview our biology teacher, Mr. Opul Reddy sir. Sir, our listeners are very curious to know that how do you spend your evenings and holidays, sir?
In the evening time, I used to go to walk, and in holidays, I spend with my friends and relatives at my native place.
Thank you, sir. Sir, why did you choose your profession as a science teacher and not as a maths teacher or any other subject teacher?
Really, it is a wonderful question. I am poor in mathematics. So I choose the biology. I like biology subject, that's why I selected the biology subject.
Sir, who is your inspiration?
Inspiration means my science teacher was there when I was studying in 8th class and 9th class. I like his teaching and profession, so then I thought of, so why don't I take this? And also my father also very interested in teaching job, so that's why I came out with the line.
Sir, there was any situation where you were afraid of biology?
I never had come across that type of situation. I always went on well.
Who is your favorite teacher in your schooling, sir?
In my schooling I can't remember because already it is 40 years over. The science teacher means Subramaniam sir बोल के एक सर था.
What is your secret behind your success?
For every success, hard work is most important, and also one should have the inquisitiveness to know, to learn, and also without hard work we cannot get the success. So hard work never replaces success. So hard work, if you won't do, you will not get success. Hard work is most important, and also we have to show interest first of all. We have to be positive, whatever you are selecting. That is, one should be have positive mind and interest also in the subject.
Were you good in studies, sir? Were you good in studies?
No, I am average. I am not in good studies. I am telling you, real fact.
Sir, do you feel the same when you are at home and when you are at your art school?
No, when you come to school, we have to change the entire mind also. When you are at home, you should be different. And school things we should not take to the home, and home things should not carry to the school.
Sir, have you ever made a mistake and learned something from it?
Yeah, normally human beings means without mistakes they cannot learn the good things. So when we do some mistakes only we can come across doing our good things. So normally in the life everybody will do mistakes, but by doing mistakes we should not go down. So we have to learn new things whenever we do some mistakes. So in my life also so many mistakes might have undergone when we are studying, when I was studying in university and others also. We used to do simple mistakes, fighting and others, and all clashes used to come and all. That is like that.
Any message for our listeners, sir?
For listeners, one thing I will tell you, you're all taking very light about the subjects, studies I'm telling. It's very difficult in your life. So when you are studying means you should concentrate more and you have to do more hard work. You all are very light fellows. You will take everything light here. So ये मेरा काम नहीं है, टीचर देख लेगा वो सब ऐसा नहीं है. Now you are in 9th class, you are getting the SA2 also. In SA2 you all have to get good marks. So for that you have to struggle, you have to do hard work day and night. You know our Prime Minister used to sleep only 4 hours. You know all? He used to do his sacrifice for his entire life for our country only. He always think about the country development. And same thing you also study well and do hard work. Hard work, without hard work you cannot success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ramadevi, for fantastic interview. And we all viewers know that now what makes Mr. Obul Reddy sir a successful and a perfect teacher. Now it's time for a small break.
Stay tuned to your local radio station, Class 9.
I want to buy a pencil which is very useful to me.
I am very flexible. I am very colorful. Please use me.
I am not totally colorful, but I am having a razor on my head for free. Use me.
Use me because I am flexible, colorful, and I am used for smooth and neat handwriting.
Okay, I will take you because you are very useful to me. My choice is this pencil. What is your choice?
Welcome back to local radio station class 9. Now our friends Srinivya and Kalyanchan are ready with their review of our local site NFC Nagar.
Srinivya and Kalyan, over to you.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today we are saying about our local science, NFC Nagar. In NFC Nagar is totally different from before. Before there are no roads. There are no proper roads for traveling and no water facilities. But now we have everything. In our village it is full of trees, plants, flowers. We can imagine that how good it will be. But nowadays people are cutting the trees for the construction of roads, schools, houses, etc. It is wrong. We have to save our environment.
Now, the NFC Nagar is like a developed colony. The water facilities are there in our colony. The roads are very proper, and the RTC buses are coming in our colony. Now, the NFC Nagar is very nice and beautiful.
NFC is famous for our school, Kendra Vidyalaya. KV school, in those days, it is not constructed properly. There are only two, three rooms. Children used to sit under trees and they used to study. But now we are very lucky that we having our school very nicely. Very nicely. There are many rooms for studying. Also we have e-classroom, resource room, music room, computer lab, etc. People always talk about our school's discipline. Our school children are very smart, intelligent and disciplined. Also there is a big playground for the primary section and secondary section. When they are playing in the playground, they feel very happy. And also in our school, teachers will teach us very nicely. Like this, there are many facilities for us to study well and become a good citizen. So it is our responsibility to study well and get good name for our village, our school, our parents and our teachers.
Not only famous for school, it is also famous for temples. There are 2 temples and 2 churches and 1 masjid. The temples are very famous in NFC Nagar. The temples are located in the top of the hills. In the temple, the many goddess statues are there. They are Sai Baba, Sita Rama, Kanakadurga, etc. Really, by looking at all the gods in one place, we look very nice. In the temple, the big statues are there. They are Hanuman statue and Shiva statue, Lord Shiva statue. They are maybe 40 feet. By looking at that, it is very nice. They are the attraction of temple. They are the attraction of temple. And the masjid, in the masjid, the Muslims used to go all Friday and pray for their Lord. In church, all Christians used to go Sunday and pray for Lord and celebrate Christmas very well. These are the famous of NFC Nagar, that is nuclear fuel power. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a wonderful time, Srinivya and Kalyan, for us, and thank you for giving a review on our local site, NFC Nagar.
So lots happening at school. It seems lots more on our local radio. It's time for a joke. So now over to Satvik and group.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today we are going to present our jokes. It begins like this.
Where is she? Sit in first bench.
May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir?
Where is she? While we were dancing, Bob was come in.
May I, sir? May I, sir?
What are you telling? The Kaisa may come in.
May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Sir. I come, sir.
Where are you studying? What are you telling? Go back. Go ahead.
Okay, sir.
No done. Okay, it is over.
Sir.
Today I am correcting the test.
Sir, is it correcting or conducting,
You
sir?
will give written answers to me. My English is better than British. Okay. Today I will conduct test on topic status.
Sir, what does mean by status or state, sir?
You giving written answers to me. Sit down. Right. Okay, time is over. Give your paper.
Sir.
This is spelling of the status. You don't know anything. I will write on the board and copy it, and I will put conduct correct same test tomorrow. It is not our Delhi. It is our Delhi. It is not our Mumbai. It is our Mumbai. It is not our Hyderabad, it is Hyderabad. It is not our Pune, it is our Pune. It is not our Chennai. Hey! Note down this and I will put same test tomorrow. Okay, I am doing this.
Thank you, Satyam Group. And don't forget, listeners, to send your joke. And every original joke will win you rupees 10. And each one will be played on your favorite local radio station. A station just for you.
And now, a very serious subject. Nikita and Mahesh have been researching on the topic safety at school. They have came out with very disturbing findings.
Nikita and Mahesh, over to you.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Nikita and Mahesh are going to tell you about safety at school. As we all know, safety is important for everyone at every place. Like this only, safety is important in school also.
In our school, classes 6, 7, 8 classes benches are not fixed correctly. Please careful from them while going and coming.
Don't go near the garbage area because unclean area have bacteria, virus and it can harm you.
You know that backside of our school has very dangerous mosquitoes. From them, malaria, dengue, typhoid will come. Do not go there.
Many children are jumping from the walls. Please do not do like this because if you fall down, you can harm yourself only.
In our school, after school hours, some students are playing without permission of PT sir. It can be any injury will come. Nobody is responsible. Please avoid it.
As we all know, it is winter season. Winter season means full of mosquitoes. As Mahesh said don't go near mosquitoes. It can harm you.
Also know that some students are fixing the mics without permission of sir. It can be harmful. any chance of short circuit.
Like this, many problems are there. Please do not do like this and be safe at school. Thank you.
For Nita and Mahesh, and it's time for Edward time.
Stay tuned to your local radio station, Class 9.
It's time for lunch.
Yes, madam.
Just a second. Did you all clean your hands?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There will be a lot of bacteria in your hands.
Okay, ma'am. Today onwards, we will promise you that today onwards we will wash our hands before eating. This is the message for all the listeners that we have to wash our hands before eating to be healthy.
Thank you.
Rajesh, think before you do. Now, Kavita and Dhruv are ready with their skit. The title is Think Before You Do. Over to you guys.
Good afternoon. We are going to present a skit by which we get inspired and achieve success in our life. So let's see and enjoy. Father, I have a wish.
What is your wish, my child? I will fulfill it.
Father, if I pass my 12th class with a good results, then
Then
can you give me my favorite car?
okay, my child. I will prove it.
Okay, leave this matter I will you. When results will come, then we will think and about it.
Krishnani studies for her exam very seriously. Krishnani at the examination hall.
Take the Krishnavani, write the exam.
Thank you, sir. After the examination,
How are you, Navya? I am fine, Krishnavini. Have you wrote your exam? I have also done well, and I know that I have also done it. And I know that I will great. And I think that I will score good marks in my exam. Okay, Krishnavini.
after a few days, the results time has appeared. We will see what would be her result.
Take the Krishnavani, you are 9.8 marks.
Thank you, sir.
When she came back home,
Mother, where is father? He is in bedroom. Okay, I will go and meet him. Okay. Father, I have got my results. Do you remember your promise?
How much did you got in your examination, child?
Father, I have got 98%.
Oh, great. Take your gift.
What is this?
Bhagavad Gita.
I have asked you something and you have given me something. What is this, father?
Try to understand me, my child.
There is nothing to understand you. You have cheated me and I had not expected this from you. I am going.
Krishnani walks away from the house.
Stop, my child. I can't live without you. Stop there.
After a long time, she settled in her life and she also got married.
Verma, wake up. It's morning. You have to go to what? Office now.
Yeah, Krishnavani, I'm getting up.
Krishnani gets a call and Verma lifts up the call.
Hello, who are you?
Hello, I am Krishnavini's mother.
Oh, auntie, this is Krishnavani's husband.
Can you give to Krishnavini's call?
Yeah, sure, auntie. Krishnavani called for you.
Who are you? Why did you call me?
Hello, Krishnavini. Your father is not well. Please come and meet him.
I am so busy.
Can you please come?
Okay, I will try to come back. Bye.
What happened?
Nothing. My father is not well.
So go and meet him.
No, I don't want to meet him.
Why?
Krishnani says about her past.
Since I'm your husband, you can share my feelings with me.
Okay.
Please go and meet him.
Okay, from your sake, I am going.
Thank you. Can I join to you?
Yeah, you can.
Krishnani came back to her father's house.
Oh, Krishnani, your father has passed away.
Oh, really? I will come little bit early.
Oh.
Wake up, father. I can't live without you. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, dad. Wake up.
Wake up.
Krishnani went to her father's room and saw that
Oh, God, please. I would read this by Bhagavad Gita before and I believe my father, then I could spend much time with my father. Sorry, Dad.
so you have seen that Krishnani not listened to her father before and she could not live with her father. So by this we understand that we should think before we do something.
Thank you.
Superb! It's the best skit which I've ever seen before.
Next, in our local side, the pollution is increasing a lot. We have to stop it.
So what we have to do? We must take silences from the bikes and cars?
No, I don't think that. Now Vachana and Sanikil are ready with this speech, how to save our environment. Over to you guys.
A very good afternoon to our listeners. Today I, Vachana and Sai Nikhil are going to speak about how to protect our environment.
We have the right to protect the environment, but we are only destroying it by our hands. On one hand, we are doing the Haritana and Swachh Bharat. In another hand, we are only destroying by our hands by doing the air pollution, water pollution, deforestation, and global warming.
We are saying that our earth is our mother earth. Are we really respecting our mother earth as we respect our mother at home? No, we are not. We are destroying her in many ways like air pollution, water pollution and sound pollution. We should not do. Day by day our pollution is increasing and my question is that can you imagine an environment? Is it green or full of waste things and unclean?
Here is the one pollution, that air pollution. Nowadays, air pollution is increasing day by vehicles, factories, and much more machines. In our near place, Gatkesar, there are so much of traffic jams, railway station and bus stations. And nowadays they build the highways. Every vehicle should be passed by the Gatkesar village only. Due to these vehicles and highways, the Gatkesar becoming a air pollution town.
Water pollution. Nowadays we are seeing that many people are throwing garbage in the water and water is polluting. Due to factories, industries and dead bodies were thrown in the river, the water is polluting. So we should not do, we should avoid that. In industries, leaving the chemical pollutants into the water and that water were used by the farmers for feed. In all the drainage water and sewage water were thrown in the rivers. We should avoid them.
Here is the another pollution, is sound pollution. Nowadays, there are so many machines is used. It is making so much of noise, like car engines, vehicles, sound boxes, and factories, and etc. In the Katkesar that is nearer to our school, there are so many festivals done by there. They are doing the Bonalu, village Ganesh Chaturthi, and functions and much more. They are using the big speakers to enjoy the music, and they are playing and enjoying that. By this, they don't know how the sound pollution is increasing. The daily in the Katkesar, trains are moved from there. From their engines also, it can be affected to sound pollution.
Deforestation. Deforestation is cutting down the trees. Deforestation is affecting the environment. 70% of earth, land, animals and plants living in forests were affected more.
And another is global warming. Global warming is done by heat. In the houses, many are using the lights, fans, and heater. In winter, the people are using more heaters to heat, and due to this problem, the global warming can be increased day by day by the car engines, vehicles, and much factories. By running day by day, the engines and machines are become very heat. Due to this, it can be caused to global warming. We have to stop this.
At last, we want to say that
stop deforestation and start afforestation.
We should avoid the people we should not throw the garbage in the roadside. We should use dustbins, and if the dustbins were not there, we have to say to GHMC to put some dustbins in our local site.
And another one is please don't leave the open places and plant the plants and trees in that place. Thank you.
Technically and Vachana for your speech. Lalita, do you know who is the father of geometry?
No, I don't know. Do you know?
Yes, geometry is mother's husband.
I don't think it is a joke.
But you will laugh now because Sneha and Group are ready with the joke.
Okay.
So it's on your Sneha and Group.
Once upon a time, there is a person is mad. Whatever he does, he thinks it is correct. I took a shampoo bottle from you, but where is the free gift? No, there is no free gift with this. Do you think I am mad? No. That is written on the bottle that dandruff free. Oh no. Thank you.
Last but not least, to take us into melodious world, Sophia and Group are ready with a song. Over to you guys.
When I was young, I played for fun, made up the words, nobody heard. But now I see all eyes on me, and suddenly I'm in a dream. I got a feeling now, everything right somehow. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got, never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again. I'm stepping up, right to the top, it's how I'm wired. I take it higher, I'm in control. I broke the mold. The girl you see is up to me. I'm lifting off the ground, finding a perfect sound. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got, never a doubt now. Here light up the dark again, 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 again and again and again. This is not the dread inside you, so come on and let it out. Find out what it's about and just shout. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got. Never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again. Being who I want, giving what I got. Never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got. Never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again.
Well, thanks the boys and girls of class 9. Local radio brings you entertainment and news, all of your interest. Until next week, bye bye.